many mountains to get some confidence? How many debates to earn some tailwind? The years pass, I'm still the same.
Hi everyone, I am Mary Beth. Welcome to my channel. Today I am so excited to be participating in the Farm, Fresh, and Fabulous Challenge hosted by Crafty Hints and co-hosted by Rustic and Lace DIY and 6 Kids and a Glue Gun. All right, I've got five DIYs for you today. This first one, I got this cute wooden truck from the Dollar General for $1. Around the Easter time, because those are carrots in the back, and it has a cute little stand. And we are going to just dress this thing up a bit. Now, I do want to mention where I got the inspiration for this particular piece is from Tracy at Country Charm by Tracy, I believe. And I will have her channel listed in my description box. She's very talented. She does a lot of amazing wreaths and stuff like that. So anyway, all right, so I was kind of debating what I'm going to do about those carrots, but it didn't matter because I knew eventually they're going to be covered up with florals. So the first thing I did is I chose this cute brown and white buffalo check paper. Really like it. And yeah, we're just going to cut out, and we're going to do both sides of this truck, okay? So you're going to cut out a piece for the front and a piece for the back. And then we're just going to adhere it with some Mod Podge, sand it down as far as the sides. And yeah, and then we'll move forward with adding some details and some flowers. And I think it turned out really cute.
Save me. Won't you save me? Won't you save me? Oh, save me, save me. Oh, I've been trapped in this darkness for far too long now. Wanna tear down the curtains, let the sun shine in. Oh, I've been seeking forgiveness, 'cause I know I was wrong. Oh, I'm running out of time, I have to stay strong. Save me.
So as you can see, I just added some details. I added some cardstock for the wheels, just covered them up in these cute little half beads. I did a little bit of shading. I don't know if I showed that, but on the truck with some distress oxide ink. And I used a white, I can't remember if I used pasta pen or chalk marker, but whatever, white pen to make some of those highlights. And now I'm using these flowers, and there's no rhyme or reason, just adding them as if this back truck was just filled up with flowers. And everything I did to this side, I did the exact same thing to the other side. So it's very full. And I think it is turning out so cute. And then we're going to make a couple little chalkboard signs to go on either side that's going to say, I can't remember what it says. I guess we'll see here in a moment. Oh, I think it says fresh flowers. And then we're going to paint the little stand, remember, that the truck came with and yeah, we'll put it together. So if you are new to my channel or coming over from this playlist, I just want to welcome you. My name is Mary Beth, and I love doing all sorts of DIYs, different kinds: rustic, farmhouse, shabby chic, you name it. I love to do it, and I love doing thrift flips. So if you are interested in any of that content, I would invite you to join my channel, and I really appreciate you being here. And if you are an existing subscriber, you already know I am so, so, so grateful for you. So thank you for returning and supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you don't mind, I have a big favor. If you like my video, if you could give me a like, I would greatly appreciate it. Not only does it help my channel, but it also does something in the algorithm where it may present my video to others that like this type of content. So thank you for doing that. Okay, and I am going to have the host and co-host channels listed in my description box. And then I will also have the playlist link listed in my description box. Please make sure to go check everyone out. I think you're going to love this playlist. So much talent, so much inspiration for you. And I think that that's a lot of fun. It's fun changing to the new season, right? More springy, and I don't know. Here we go with some frogs, talking about spring. So I picked these up from the Dollar Tree. This is like the quickest DIY ever. And I am just using, I believe I'm using ivory color from Waverly. And then I'm going to take some elephant and I'm going to distress it up. And then I'm going to take some twine and just make a simple little bow.
She will never know, never know, 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 she'll never know.
Well, you'll have to let me know what you thought of the cute little frogs. All right, for my third DIY, I'm going to use this tag from the Dollar General. I like it. It's a pretty thick, substantial tag, so I really liked it. And we are going to paint it in that agave. I think I mixed, I have to remember. I don't know if I get it together, Mary Beth. If I mixed the agave with, yeah, I did. I mixed it with a little bit of ivory paint to lighten it up. And that is what I painted on the tag. And then I think you saw that little cut apart piece of paper, that cute little picture of a mason jar. I think it's a mason jar where it talks about bee honey or something. Anyway, we're going to adhere that to the front of this tag. Put a little bow, just embellish it up a little bit, put some beads at the top. And I just think this turned out so cute. I did use some Jenga blocks on the back so that it stands up. Perfect for a tier tray.
There's no one to blame for your love. In the sweet despair, the broken heart's lying down. I won't hurry, dear. I'm breathing as long as you're around. It's not you, it's me, you see. It's not love or passion. There's something desperately wrong with me. It's not fair to you, I know, and I'm sorry I can't let it go. There's something desperately wrong with me. Hush, don't tell me what's going on. Hush, don't tell me what's going wrong. Don't make me a victim, pretty please. Hush, don't tell me what's going on. It's not easy for me, he said, to see you hurt and filled with regrets, but there's something wrecking ball wrong with me. Oh, and
Okay, we're just finishing up here. I think it turned out so cute. I really love it. I love the colors. You'll have to let me know what you think, for sure. All right, we're going to move on to, what are we on? DIY number 4. This might be my favorite one. I don't know. I really can't pick a favorite out of this group of DIYs that I did. Anyway, got this at the Goodwill for $1.99, and I liked that it was a deep, well, I'm going to call it a box, even though it's a sign, like a shelf sitter sign, but we're going to make it into a box. So what I'm going to do is I am going to cover those holes with some lightweight spackling. And then I'm going to paint this once again in agave. This time I don't lighten up the agave. I just keep it the normal color. And I am going to distress this with, I do mix up, I believe, elephant with just a little bit of black. I think that's what I did, just to make it a little bit darker. And that is what I'll use to just, no, I take it back. It's antique wax with a little bit of black to make that darker. And that's what I use to distress this. We're going to make a couple, well, 4 little feet out of half beads. And then we're going to use a wood, what are they called? Just like a wood embellishment that says Farm Fresh. I think they were from the fall time. I'm going to paint that in plaster. And then I'm going to adhere it. And I'll also kind of brush over it with that same antique wax black mixture just to distress it. Then we're going to fill it up with some pretty flowers. And I love this one. I think it turned out so, so cute. You'll have to let me know what you think.
Close your eyes, get out of your skin. All it is matters, let it in. If I could, I would be right here with you. In this world of ticking clocks, I hope I'm getting through. So close your eyes. Do you feel the same? trust of our souls.
Okay, I really hope you liked that last DIY. You have to let me know. Please let me know which one is your favorite or your top 2 or something like that. I would love to know. This is my final DIY. Look at these cute little wooden embellishments. You can get these at Hobby Lobby, and I think they're $3.99, but you always can get them on sale like at the beginning of the season for like 40, I think it's 40% off. So I think it's a good deal because you get a lot of them. So what I wanted to do is make a banner, like a little mini banner that you would put on your tier tray. And so that's what we did. And I used 3 different colors, and I used some beads, and it was so super simple. Oh, by the way, I'm using my crocodile. I use this all the time. This is really, you can use it to set eyelets, which I do too, but it also has a hole puncher in there, and it has 2 different sizes. So I thought it would be easier to do that on these, obviously, and it worked out just perfectly. And then I'm going to tie a knot in between each item, just to have them separated. And then we're going to put a tassel on each end of this. And oh my goodness, it's so cute. It's like a little mini banner. I can't wait for you to see the final reveal, because I was able to put all these on my tier tray. I think they look so cute. Here we go. Final reveal. Again, please let me know what you think. Oh my goodness, this is so fun. And thank you. Thank you so much for being here. And I want to thank our host and co-host for this fun challenge and all the very talented creators in the playlist. Make sure to go check them out. Have a great day.